Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing, I am like, first of all, I love this box so much. I've said it in my videos in the past that I've done on this. But I am so excited because they decided to partner with me and they want to do a giveaway on my channel this month. What? So, literally, one of my favorite subscriptions that I order, and you've seen I get so many subscriptions. I've tried so many subscriptions, and this one I absolutely love. It is called the UpBox, by the way. But this is a faith-based subscription. They're very uplifting. I love this box, okay? So that's what I'm going to say. So please watch this unboxing. I'll get to show you everything that I received, and then guess what? I'll tell you at the end or somewhere in the video how to enter this giveaway, and you can win the same exact box from UpBox. So I want to say thank you to UpBox for even giving me a chance, wanting to collab, wanting to do something for my subscribers, and giving them the opportunity to win an amazing box. So, let me tell you about UpBox, guys, in case you haven't seen my videos in the past on it. This box comes monthly and brings you the most joy in the world. It is $39.95 a month and completely 1,000% worth it. It is faith-based, but it's also a lifestyle subscription. So, you get all types of goodies in here, and let's see what they had to say. They sent me a card. It says, Gina. Hi, we are so excited to partner with you on a January box giveaway. XOXO from them. Ah, so exciting, guys. What did I tell you? 2020 is going to be a great year. And this is the best way to start it off. A giveaway with a great subscription. So let's get into it. Let's see what I got. Let me see. All right, this box is always like curated so like beautifully. They do like little cutouts and stuff based on the time frame, like when the month of the box. So this one they did really cute snowflakes and stars. I'm just showing you, they're so cute. Okay. And there's a card in here. So it is Faith Over Fear. I love that. And it says, welcome to our Faith Over Fear UpBox. All right, guys. I'm ripping open my tissue paper. Let's see what I got. All right, so the first thing in here that I see is this guy right here. It's really pretty. It's very velvety. It says Velvet, there you go, Velvet Natural Life. It says Natural Life, Give, Love, Laugh. Velvet Boho Banju, I don't know. And then down here it shows the different ways you can wear it, but it's super pretty, right? And it says, we love to inspire people to give and live happy. We believe it's the little things that mean the most, that kindness really does matter. You should always be yourself, do what you love, and try to make the world a better place. Really cute. All right, let me see. It's a nice size. And let me put this guy on. Ugh. The flyaways, they're crazy. All right. I think it goes cute too with my makeup look and my shirt. Get my earrings out. And then of course you can mess with it and do different ways, but that's really cute. I'm leaving it on. I love it. Okay, so the next item in here is a treat. And it's CHUAO, so Chow Chocolatier. And it is sweet and salty mini chocolate bar. Touch of sea salt swirled in creamy milk chocolate. Can't wait. I haven't eaten dinner yet, so I'm going to wait. but I can't wait. You know what I mean. Okay, so here's the next item in here. It's a really cute burlap bag. This says King Folk Co. on a mission to encourage folks. And you'll see that, like, the themes of these boxes are different every single month, but they're always uplifting. I love it. All right, so this is King Folk Co. on a mission, same thing. And then hashtag folks encouraging folks. What are you? Oh, how cute. It's like a little bracelet. So it's a leather strap. Has this gold buckle. And then it says faith. And it has the greater than sign. So faith is greater than fear. So cute. I love it. All right, next item. Oh, this is cute. So it says, okay, first of all, why does it start with super cute? And I always say that. Okay, super cute mirror keychain. And it says cheering you on. And then the actual keychain itself says, and she never gave up. That's so cute. I love it. And then right here it says, I don't know where they find this stuff, but it's so amazing. I love the companies. Believe in the girl staring back at you. She's making things happen. Is she now? All right, so let me open this up. I mean, it's just so cute. Like, can you imagine gifting something like this to somebody? I'm glad I gifted it to myself. All right, so this is what this guy looks like. It's really pretty. So you put your keys on there. And then it's the mirror. It has the plastic on it. It's actually a really good mirror. Say hi. See yourself. But, that's really pretty. I like that. So far, I don't know. I like this headband a lot too. But I love that keychain. So that might be my favorite so far. All right. And then they always give you these little like cards and different things for decoration. So you can frame them. There's also, they do smaller ones in here. I'll get into these. I'll show you. I get ahead of myself because I get excited about this box. So it says, beautiful girl, you can do hard things. Okay, so this one's like a card. And then you open it up and there's stars. And it says, in the time of my fear, I will have faith in you. Psalms 56:3. Love it. All right, and then it has, so this one is actually a card to send out to people. So I got another one, and this one says, reach for the stars. And then it has, again, the sky, and that says, in the time of my fear, I will have faith in you. So they always pick a scripture to be the scripture for each box, and so that's what this one is. Love it. And then they give you these little cards, and these are the ones I was telling you. They're so cute. So let me open it. And here's the card, and it says believer. And then you open it up, and then the stars go around it, and then it has the scripture. I've always thought these are super cute. The little tiny envelope. It's everything. Yummy. Then I got some Ghirardelli Premium Hot Cocoa Mix. It says just add hot water for instant decadence. Can't wait. What's next? Also, guys, if you just are like, I don't even want to wait to see if I want to give away. I want to subscribe to this box. You definitely should. But right now, they have a code that I'm gonna put in the description box below. So it is there right now. I will leave their link as well. But the code saves you 20% off your first order. So if you order for one box, a 3-month subscription, a 6-month subscription, either way, 20% off. Yes, thank you. All right, here's the next one. This is foot soak. Natural Epsom salt and essential oils soothe and soften. Peppermint and eucalyptus. I love minty smells. So, nice. Very nice. Let's see. What are you? Here's the next item in here. This is by Cocoa Beauty Essentials. Dry skin friendly. Love that because I have dry skin for days. It says Dream Butter. Creamy moisturizer with olive, jojoba, and grapeseed oil. Oh my God, that smells really good. Like lemony, citrusy, I'm not sure. Really good though. It's very thick, which I love body butters to be. They should be thicker. And consistency, very hydrating. Ooh, that smells amazing. And I still got a whole tub left. So that's the good thing about body butters. Even if you have a container like this size, it's going to last you a while. Oh my God, it smells so good. All right, and then they have these pretty squigglies, silver and white. I'm telling you, the presentation by itself, I think this box has the best presentation of any subscription I get. I will just say that for sure. All right, here's the next guy. This is Vanilla Cream Pure Energy Apothecary Natural Body Lotion. Handcrafted in Vermont. Okay. I already have a good smell on. I don't know where to put it. Let's just try it. This smells like icing from a cupcake. Put it here. I smell great. Thank you. Woo! Now I kind of smell like a lemony cupcake. From the two items together, they actually go really good together. All right, what else? I got another one of these, but this one says Dreamer. Okay. And then there's this guy in here. This is by Bow and Arrow Candle Co. French vanilla, small batch soy candles, hand poured in Southern California. Oh, it smells so good. It smells very good. I can't wait to use that. I love smell goods, and this box always gives me really good ones. Let me see if there's anything I'm missing. You have to, that's one thing about this box. You've got to dig around because there's like so much decoration in here. It's gorgeous. But you might mess around and throw something away because you missed out. And you didn't realize that was in the box. Okay, so this was the last thing in here. It says Dream Big. That's so cute. Little chapstick lip balm. And the scent is vanilla mint. Love it. And put this guy on. Oh my God, that mint is so, yeah, I got my lipstick on it. The mint is like tingly and fresh. I love when mint does that. Okay guys, so how do you enter? Please give this video a thumbs up, okay? So like the video. Please be subscribed to my channel. Also, if you could tell me in the comments below, please enter me and tell me what was your favorite item from this box, okay? That's it, because I want them to be able to see if they come to my channel. I want them to be able to see what items you guys like, that you're excited for, and, you know, let them know they're doing a great job. I personally love this box every month. They've never failed me. I've never gotten one single thing I didn't like, and that's the truth. So, and I've been getting this probably 4 months now, 4 or 5 months. And thank you again to UpBox for believing in me, for always cheering me up every single month with these boxes. They really are uplifting. They're beautiful. The presentation, the products. You don't put anything cheaply made in here. It's just phenomenal. I love it. I'm going to stay subscribed. But thank you for believing in me and wanting to do a giveaway with me and do something for my subscribers, because they mean so much to me. So it's good to know that UpBox took the time to believe in my subscribers as much as I do. So I will post in the description box below just the basic rules, just as a reminder about the thumbs up and everything you need to do. But also, please make sure if you do enter this giveaway that you are 18 years of age or older, or that you can provide me your parents' consent to receive this box. Also, this is going to be U.S. shipping only. So if you do happen to live overseas, you may enter, but you have to provide us with a U.S. shipping address. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, guys, this giveaway, I'm going to have it end because we want to give them time to send you your January box. Let's have it end January 21st, and I will draw the winner January 22nd. I will notify the company, and they will ship your box out to you immediately, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love you. Don't forget you can't spell original without Gina, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!